Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another skincare product. I recently had the pleasure of trying out the Prequel Sun Barrier Mineral Sunscreen, and let me just say, it's been a game changer in my skincare routine. With a broad spectrum SPF 50 PA+++, this sunscreen is serious about protecting your skin from the sun's harmful rays. First and foremost, the honesty about zinc not being completely sheer is commendable. It's a straightforward acknowledgement of the nature of the ingredient, allowing users to make informed decisions. This transparency in the product description sets the tone for a trustworthy brand. Now, onto the texture. It's a revelation. The lightweight feel is fantastic, and I appreciate that there's no greasiness or chalkiness. It's like a breath of fresh air for those of us who have struggled with heavy, sticky sunscreens in the past. And the fact that it's fragrance-free is a definite win. I've had my fair share of experiences with zinc oxide sunscreens, and the natural radiant finish of this one is spot on. Not oily, but eerily natural. At $22 for 50 ml, it's reasonably priced for the quality you're getting. But what really blew my mind was the application. The texture is simply amazing. I love how it doesn't leave my skin looking greasy. Instead, it dries down beautifully, leaving a super glowy finish. I typically apply about 3 finger lengths of the product on both my face and neck, and it's the perfect amount. I find this sunscreen to be a savior, especially during cold fronts that tend to dry out my skin. It's become my go-to for these conditions. Plus, a major bonus is that it doesn't irritate my eyes or pill throughout the day. I must note that, like many mineral sunscreens, I applied it in 2 layers to ensure thorough coverage. There was a marginal cast that settled on my skin within 5 minutes, which is expected. However, it's crucial to highlight that this may leave a more noticeable cast on darker skin tones. It's something to be aware of, especially for individuals with deeper complexions. In conclusion, the Prequel Sun Barrier Mineral Sunscreen has exceeded my expectations. Its performance, combined with the reasonable price point, makes it a standout product in the world of sun protection. If you're in the market for an effective sunscreen with a pleasant texture and glowy finish, look no further. Just be mindful of the potential cast, particularly on darker skin tones. Overall, highly recommended.